Headphone stands were designed to act as a safe docking station while decluttering your desktop and adding visual aesthetics to it. While stands like Corsair's ST100 and Razer Base Station Chroma are rocking as the premium ones, they are quite expensive. But don't lose hope yet, as there are plenty of amazing stands at a much affordable price point available on the market. In today's video, we are going to showcase 5 of the cheapest yet best headphone stands that you can get your hands on.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the Zero Headphone Stand by Uppercase, a minimalist stand with a unique design that you will find decent for your headset. Made of machined aerospace-grade aluminum, you will find this stylish stand quite sturdy and durable for countless docking periods. Thanks to the silicone grips beneath, this stand remains stable and smooth while not scratching the surface regardless of the weight of your headset. With its 1.75 inches wide ring, this headset stand is compatible with most headphones including Beats, Bose, and Sennheiser. Furthermore, the ring-shaped design is unique, which makes it stand out of the crowd from the traditional T-shaped stands. If you are in search of a stylish headphone stand to declutter your desk while adding minimalistic touch to it, then the Uppercase Zero Headphone Stand will suit you perfectly. Next up at number 4, we have the Posto Universal Headphone Stand by Blue Lounge, a universal stand that will appeal to Apple enthusiasts the most. The body of this stand is forged with sturdy aluminum, which gives the entire stand strong support, while the silicone headrest enables you to comfortably dock your headset. Moreover, the underneath of the base is made of flexible rubber, which provides greater stability and safety for your headrest. The small footprint of this headphone stand is less likely to take up much of your desk space while seamlessly integrating itself into your desktop. This ergonomic headphone stand is compatible with most headsets, which makes it versatile and fitting to your desktop setup. If you own multiple Apple products and are looking for a headphone stand to go along with them, then the Blue Lounge Posto Universal Headphone Stand will blend right in. At number 3, we have the Newbie Headphone Stand, a clean-looking stand that suits wireless headsets the best. Constructed with high-quality aluminum, this stand can house the heaviest of your headset without breaking a sweat. The TPU rubber underneath ensures smooth docking and greater stability while keeping your headphones safe from accidentally falling over and getting damaged, saving both your money and time. Additionally, the simple yet sleek stand comes with pad-protected headphone rest to make headphone docking a lot more smooth and convenient for you. Due to this stand being 8.85 inches in height and 3.7 inches in length, it is quite compact and super easy to carry around with you. Overall, the Newbie headphone stand is compact, light, and sleek stand that you can get for your wireless headset. Coming up at number 2, we have the Lamical Headphone Stand, a unique stand that offers quick assembly and greater portability. With its aluminum alloy pole, the overall body receives sturdy support while it adds an aesthetic outlook to your entire setup. Moreover, the ergonomic anti-slip base does a remarkable job of holding your headset in place, safe and secure. This headphone stand will come in handy while using it in an office or a recording studio. As for the design, the Lamical headphone stand gives a unique outlook which is both elegant and practical for home, office and studio use. The entire stand offers quick assembly which ensures both portability and efficiency by saving your time and energy. Just mount the headphone rest on top of the pole and you will be docking your headset in no time. If you are looking for a unique headphone stand with greater portability, the Lamical headphone stand is less likely to disappoint you. Finally, at number 1, we have the Vertex Biasterion, an RGB headphone stand that you will find fitting with the rest of your RGB setup. This headphone stand features a floating illuminated acrylic design that looks quite sleek while adding a futuristic outlook to your gaming setup. Moreover, the Vertex offers 13 vibrant color RGB lighting that appears soothing to the eyes and will quench your thirst for dynamic effects. Talking about dynamic effects, this stand also has 3 dynamic RGB modes that you can cycle between to choose the very best for your gaming desktop. For an added perk, this outstanding headset stand also comes with a USB charging port to let you charge your wireless headset or other tech gadgets, keeping them powered up and ready for use. Overall, the Asterion Vertex is a dynamic headphone stand with RGB functionality and unique design and added perks that might be the best option available for you to grab. So that was all about the top 5 best, cheapest gaming headphone stand. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.